All right, let's get started for the final portion of the day where we announce the winning team. The judges deliberated, and I will award student certificates, and we'll take a team photo with all the mentors and the students and the teachers and the volunteers who are here, and then we'll go outside and eat. So the judges have nominated a head judge.
Okay, just wanted to keep this brief, but we wanted to say positive things about everybody because the groups were awesome, and we want all of you to know that. Very impressed by the level of the work that you did, so we wanted to make sure that we acknowledge that. So I'm just going to go through each group. Galactic Enterprise. Where is that? Right there. We were very impressed. First thing, you were given a really tough problem to achieve. And we really like the multiple approaches that you took in order to solve that problem. And also impressed how you utilized the resources that you had as far as not being limited by laptops, time frame, taking advantage of teacher offering to run the programs by sharding it and spreading it out so that you could get that process. I don't know if the numbers came back yet, though, for you. And then we really did like although the distributed presentation and the sharing the responsibility, we felt that it was really, really even and really, it was a good distribution between the team and very well documented code. Of course, I'm a developer, so that was really, really good. And again, creative in trying different things different approaches in order to receive the best result. So that was really, really good. Second one, Asteroid. Asteroid Hunters. You two were given a really difficult challenge. And what we keyed in, all of us, immediately was we really loved the candor and how you expressed and went through the challenges that you faced, as well as not just posing the problems that you encountered, but also the solutions that you all went through. That's something that you're going to encounter any team that you're on. So we really, really did like that. Like the point of how you were limited by the documentation that you were working with, and so instead of leaving it in that state, you decided to make it better for the next one that was coming up. So see a need, fill a need, excellent. We really, really like that. And also how you found a way to work through the team dynamics in order to, again, achieve your goal. You had a goal and a tough path of getting there, but you still delivered in the end. And we really appreciate that, and it was really nice to see. And also we did like the little funny tie-in of how one small thing can cause a big issue as far as with the sun and using the incorrect units. We did like the anecdote that you included in there. So thank you very much. Then emission control. Hello. We really love the collaborative ideas and how you set it up and you sifted through, different, as you mentioned, different data sets together, and just how you worked as a team, mentioning that you rotated the leaders, but then you settled on splitting the work based on your strengths. Again, that's something that you'll do in a team dynamic. Really like the way the code was explained really well. Your group did a really good job of actually going through doing that again fully. We could tell that the whole team was fully integrated. Definitely, that was nice to see. And then just the passion, you could see that from the beginning to the end, that it was definitely present throughout. And you were passionate about the problem that you were trying to present to everyone. You wanted and I do feel that we saw that. So again, documentation was beautiful. The code was nicely documented and formatted, near and dear to all the devs out there. So yeah, I wanted to. So again, everybody was excellent, but as a panel, we decided that the winner was Galactic Enterprise.
Yeah, because they look real excited. So you guys are going to have to get me the laptops. They're willing to ship them straight to your houses. They're laptops running Linux, so they're very similar to the Bash console and Python Anywhere and that sort of stuff, only you'll be able to easily run on your own machine and use that in your further studies. So you'll get me your addresses afterwards, and congratulations to you guys, but also congratulations to all the teams. We heard from Dr. Lichtstall, from others in the audience. Very impressive work. I'm so proud. And so for the very last portion, I'm going to invite students up kind of one by one to have a little graduation here, and then we're all going to stay on stage so that we can have like a group photo. Okay, so Victoria Tran. Charles Dow. Crystal Diaz. Annie Finelli. Tiffany Shee. Tiffany was also the high scorer on our class exam, so extra award. A perfect score, including the bonus. Sierra Yao. Will Temrowski. Moiz or Momo Mukri. David Nico Moore. Congratulations. Sterling Collier. Nayeli Ju. Adriana Bank. That's our last student. So these are all the students. Give them a round of applause. But I also have certificates for our teachers and Boyles. Nothing compared to all those college diplomas you guys have, but you know, I try. Andrea Kova. And Janela Juarez. And then for any Summer App Space mentors and volunteers, if you could come up and we'll get a big group photo here. All right, I don't know if we can all, let's squish together. All right, and Dr. Lewis is taking a photo. All right, so everyone say PyCon.